Hello YouTube, Darrell Hammond here. Today we are going to be doing a review video on a new product called Blabbermouth Bucks. This is a new product by Johnny Rose, a chap from England, and we will be jumping into this in a few minutes. So right now we're on the bonus page, and we will probably get to that in a few minutes. First, we're going to jump into the product and I'm going to show you what you're going to get. Let's jump in right now. Alright, so here we are on the inside of Blabbermouth Bucks. So what Blabbermouth Bucks is a training program that teaches you to utilize a little known platform to generate income by talking on the phone. And so if you're anything like this guy,
this is going to be good because when it gets back there with that boom, which he thinks is mouse knuckles, he'll probably put it on a plate and put a cover on it and serve it to that tough Mr. Robin cat. And when that big dog catches up with him,
and like talking, then this product is for you. Alright, so this is the dashboard. So if you pick up a copy of this via the links on my bonus page, which we will talk about in a few minutes, and the link to that is in the description below the video. So inside the welcome section are a few videos, a overview of what the platform is, and I'm not going to open that up because it kind of gives the whole product away. But he tells you about the platform, he tells you how to set up your PayPal account inside the platform so you can get paid. And so the next section is section 1. It's identifying a profitable speaking niche. The next section is section 2, creating a successful profile. He talks about how to set up your profile on this platform, what to put in your profile, how to optimize it so you rank a little better inside that profile, and how to set your pricing strategy and then promoting it. Essentially, this platform gets plenty of traffic, so you shouldn't have to do too much promotion. A lot of the traffic is going to be self-generated just inside the platform and from sources outside. So the next section is delivering a winning call. He goes over preparing for the call, and then the time during and after the call. And then there is a conclusion video where he kind of does an overview of the training program. There's an upgrade section where you can pick up the upgrades if you didn't pick them up on the sales page originally when you purchased the product. There are also some free bonuses available inside. There's Personal Transformation Mastery, Presentation Powerhouse, and Success Rituals. Those are the vendor bonuses. There are also some unannounced bonuses, and those are free $100,000 ClickFunnels funnel plus free training. You get free access to Traffic Domination Community, and then there's a ClickBank hack, and then Prosper Noah's free affiliate training. So those are some unannounced bonuses that are included, and so pretty much that's what you get. It's an over-the-shoulder training program that teaches you how to make money using this little-known platform, and I think you're going to be pleasantly surprised. And let's go ahead and jump on over to my bonus page. So this is my bonus page. Besides all the vendor bonuses and the unannounced bonuses that you're going to get if you pick up a copy of this via the buttons on this page, you're also going to get a bunch of other bonuses that I have lined up for you. So let's go down. We're going to kind of go over the product a little bit, the pricing funnels, and then we'll get into the bonuses. So this is Blabbermouth Bucks. Learn how he makes $100 to $150 an hour without breaking a sweat. And these are the big yellow buttons I was talking about. Click on one of these. It will take you to this sales page where he goes over all the information, shows you proof of income, so you know the system works. And it goes over some other details, the 13 module video course, full step-by-step over-the-shoulder training, all the resources you need to succeed. No website, no business or social media presence necessary. There's no selling or cold calling involved. They actually get in contact with you. And here are the vendor bonuses you're going to get. So let's jump back on over to the bonus page. So like we mentioned earlier, Blabbermouth Bucks is a 13-module course that will teach you how to make money on the phone. You can do it in your spare time. It's an original and profitable method to earn up to $1,500 an hour. So let's go over the funnel real fast. The front end is only $7.95. So what do you got to lose? Pick up a copy, learn all about it, and make some money in your spare time. So upsell number 1, work from home productivity course is $27. It's a video course that will show you how to work from home and get more done, all while staying sane. Upsell number 2 is a self-improvement and a motivation guide. It's $17. It's a 46-page guide which will turn you into confident, high-performance earners who can speak, coach, and advise competently on the phone. And then upsell number 3 is $97. It's an hour with Johnny Rose. It's one-to-one coaching, conversation, and collaboration where you get your profiles reviewed by him, have a practice call to improve your phone techniques, and just ask anything you want to about internet marketing. Some of the benefits you're going to get, like I said, a 13-module video course, full step-by-step over-the-shoulder training, all the resources you need to succeed. No website or business or social media presence is necessary. There's no selling or cold calling involved, and no network marketing, trading, or further investment required. And this is also covered by a 30-day money-back, no question to ask guarantee. Alright, so now to the bonuses that I have lined up for you. Been working with Jono Armstrong. He's allowed me to provide you with these bonuses, and then I've thrown in a couple of special exclusive bonuses that are going to be available only from me and the links on this page. And the link to this page is in the description below. So the first bonus is access my mega bundle. You're going to get access to a crazy amount of bonus material. You're going to get training programs, PDFs, all kinds of great stuff. Bonus tutorial number 2 is access to his $900 per sale DFY super funnel, and this one is limited to the first 48 hours only. So if you want to grab it, you need to jump in and pick up your purchase within the first 48 hours. Bonus number 3 is access to DFY campaigns for the next 365 days. So you'll be set up and you can do some marketing. You'll have something for marketing on every single day of the year for the next year. Alright, bonus number 4, bonus tutorial, how to make an easy $100 per day with just your mobile phone. And here are my exclusive bonuses. Bonus number 5, free online business tools. This is a package of a bunch of business tools that you can utilize for your home business. And then bonus number 6, my next exclusive bonus, is 6-figure blogging. So this will help you establish, even though it's not required with the product, it'll help you establish an online presence. And the nice thing about setting up a nice blog, it's truly a passive income. You can do a few posts and those posts will live indefinitely, and if the information that you put on that website basically is timeless, those things will generate some income for you or traffic for you for years to come. So finally, bonus number 7 are all the vendor bonuses. So there you have it. Click on the link below in the description, go to this bonus page, click on any of these large yellow gold buttons and pick up your copy of Blabbermouth Bucks today and start earning some money. So I appreciate you taking the time to watch my review video about Blabbermouth Bucks. So go ahead and click on the link below the video, go to the bonus page, and pick up a copy of yours today and grab all those amazing bonuses. My name's Darrell Hammond. Please click like, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below. Your interaction helps me out, and I appreciate that. Have an amazing day, and we'll talk to you later. Thanks. Bye now.